For this example, we're going to simplify the expression 2x squared minus x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. In order to simplify this, we should factor the top and the bottom and see if they have any common factors to cancel. Now the bottom is the difference of squares, because this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, and it's subtraction. So we can do the difference of squares on the bottom. So the square root of x squared is x, the square root of 1 is 1, and we make 1 a plus and 1 a minus. Now on the top, we're going to have to use AC method. And to do AC method, you multiply a times c, so you end up with -2. And you find multiples of -2 that will add to give you this -1 in the middle. So we could have 2 and 1 if we make our 2 negative and our 1 positive. Because -2 times +1 gives us -2. -2 plus 1 gives us -1. So now we can line them up. -2x plus 1x minus 1. See, I just broke this down into this and that. It doesn't matter which order you put them in, you're going to get the same answer either way. Now we're going to finish by grouping. So I've split it in half, and I just factor both of these individually. Now, if I look for the GCF in this first one, we have a 2 and an x common. So I divide by 2x as my GCF. And I have left x minus 1. 2x divided by 2x cancels to give us 1. Now for this one, the only thing common is a 1, so we do plus 1. And when we divide by 1, nothing cancels, so we still have x minus, this is supposed to be a 1, x minus 1. Now, you can see that there's a common GCF in both of our terms, which is x minus 1. So if you pull out x minus 1 and divide both by x minus 1, what you have left is 2x plus 1. And so now that is fully factored, and you can put that on the top here. And now we want to look for factors that are the same on the top and the bottom so that we can cancel and simplify. On the top we have an x minus 1, on the bottom we also have an x minus 1. So these can cancel. These are not the same, so we can't cancel those. And so they are still there in our final answer. So our final answer is 2x plus 1 over x plus 1.